mga cooking ina! Welcome to my kitchen again, and today we're going to make a beef steaks with onions. This is a recipe that my favorite when I was small until today, and then until to my kids, they like it when I cook. The original of this one I learned in this to my dad because he is a good cook in this recipe, and that becomes my favorite. And then every time I'm going home to my country, I asked to my dad to make that beef steak for me because it's very good. So now I'm going to share with you all mommies who likes cooking like me. So now let's start. So now I introduce all the ingredients that we need for this recipe. In our recipe, we need a beef meat in a thin slice like this. Like this slice. In this one here in Sweden, they called low beef. The low beef. This is a low beef I use for my beef steaks with onion. And then our second ingredient is the soy sauce. It's a soya sauce. And then the next one is the onion. And in the onion, we need to slice like this slice. Ring onion. We call ring onion this slice. And a lemon. We need 1 lemon. The next is we have garlic. I love garlic. Garlic is good for our health. And we have green onions. This one is optional. I just put this one in my ingredient because I'd like this one in my garnishing after I plating the dish. So, and we have black pepper, ground black pepper. And then we have salt, and then we have beef cubes, and we have water. So now, mga cooking ina, let's cook our beef steaks with onions. Before we start cooking, we need to wash our hands. I already washed my hands before I'm standing here. So now let's start cooking to our recipe. So now the first we're going to do is we put the soy sauce in a beef. We estimate first how much we need in our beef, and then we mix well in this. And then we put the black ground pepper. So now our beef is ready to fry. We need to warm the frying pan, and then we need an oil, little bit of oil, and I love butter always in my cooking. So we need to put a butter. Look guys, what I'm doing when I cook this recipe. I already washed my hands so I can hold in this. Always remember, mothers, mga cooking ina, that we always wash our hands first before we're cooking. Especially now, we are very careful in our health because it's COVID. It's terrible, you know. You know, not everyone feels that. I don't want to say more. So now, here, it's already hot. We need to put it in the medium hot in our pan. And then, we fry this. Look. So, it smells good, see? Because the butter is more giving a flavor and smell. I think 4 first is enough in my frying pan. It smells good. So now we're going to blend our beef steaks. Baliktarin na natin. This recipe is very quick to cook. If you are in a hurry, mga mother, mga mama, if your children will come home and then they are hungry, you can make this recipe. It's quick. So now our beef steak is ready. I'm going to plate with this one. So look. The next one is we're going to fry the onions. So now our onion is cooking. We need to put the garlic. Just estimate the garlic in this. And then we put water. You see? Little bit of water. And then the beef cubes. And this one I'm going to put a half of the beef cubes. So it's boiling our onion, garlic with the cubes, with the beef cubes. So now our onion, garlic is ready for our beef steak. So now we're going to do this. Look. So sorry. So and then we're going to put a lemon. To get all the more juice in the lemon, we do like this. Mga mothers, mga cooking ina. And then we slice only half of the lemon we're going to use. We just do like this. Now our beef steaks with onions is plated, so we're going to garnish in this so that it's look beautiful. Just little bit like this. See? So now it's ready. Our beef steaks with onions is ready. See? It's beautiful and it smells good. And I'm going to test in this. So we try our beef steaks with onions. It's very good. Mga cooking ina, you try this. It's very good. The taste, the texture of the meat, it's fantastic. I love it. Now, thank you for watching my video today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Until next video. See you.